finished it. Whew. I had a lot. I met my teacher and all of my friends. And next up, illustration. My teacher taught me about illustration. Illustration is drawing pictures and telling everybody about this, like their drawings. Yeah. I also draw this part, and it's usually really dark when we come in. And I also had Anna's help to push this thing in the box, the other box. So when we stepped inside the box, then we just go right inside our home we made with the cardboard. This is the house. The house that we're all in it. I didn't color this part, but you might see drawings. I also learned about shapes. Circle, rectangle, square, square.
It's an uppercase letter. So, would you please sing the ABC song with me? Alright. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
I had a beautiful story. Oh, gee, Mama. So that beautiful story was The Kissing Hand. So it was about a little raccoon, and he didn't want to go to school, but a crow found him. Then the crow came, and then the crow said, "Don't be afraid to go to school." And then when the crow said, "Kiss your hand," then when the raccoon kissed his hand, then the crow also said, "Put it then on his cheek." Then he did. Then he felt his mom's love. And when it was night, then when they were seeing the moon, the little baby raccoon took Mom's hand and did these things. Well, it just is something. Then the baby kissed the mom's hand, and then the mom said, "Go up to home." Then the baby raccoon did. Then the mom was still out there, and she was looking at the moon, and she was in love. I love my school. Well, not like I love my school. This is a big number. 2,000,088,76,54321 80,000. That's all, my BuzeeBeezz. This was my first day at school, and I hope you like this video, my BuzeeBeezz. Bye for now.